Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve this problem. So let us read the problem statement. So first we have to take three numbers x, y, z. So if the value of x is greater than or equal to 20, then and if the value of y is greater than or equal to 100, then we have to add 100 to the value of z. And in that only, if value of y is less than 100, and greater than or equal to 50, then add 50 to the value of z. Else add 10 to the value of z. Else if the value of x is less than 20, and in this we have three conditions. If the value of y is greater than or equal to 100, then add the 3 to the value of z. The value of y is less than 100 and greater than or equal to 50, then add 2 to the value of z. Else add 1 to the value of z. Print the final value of z as an integer output in the end. So let us write the program. So first of all, import java.util.star. So scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in. So first of all, here we have to take three integer inputs. Int x is equal to sc dot next int. And y is equal to next int. Int z is equal to sc dot next int. So we have taken three integer inputs, int like x, y, and z. So let us write the if condition. If x is greater than or equal to 20. So x is greater than or equal to 20. Then we have to write. So in this we again we are having if condition. So if y is greater than or equal to 100. So y is greater than or equal to 100. And we have another condition. So y is greater than or equal to 100. So we have only one condition. So then we have to print, we have to add. So then we have to add equal to 100, then add 100 to the value of z. So we have to add 100 to the value of z. So 100 plus z. So next statement. Else if. So if y is less than 100, y is less than 100, and greater than or equal to 50. Y is greater than or equal to 50. So then we have to add 50 to the value of z. So we have to add 50 to the value of z. So else we have to add z is equal to 10 plus z. So if value of x less than 20, So value of x less than 20, and in this we have another condition, like if the value of y is greater than or equal to 100, then add 3 to the value of z. So y is greater than or equal to 100. So if y is greater than or equal to 100, so we have to add 3 to the value of z. That is equal to b plus z. So else if y is less than 100 and greater than or equal to 50, y is less than 100 and y is greater than or equal to 50. So we have value of y is less than 100 and greater than or equal to 50, then add to the value of z. Else we have to add that is equal to 1 plus z. So finally we have to print the so finally we have to print the we have to print z value. System dot out dot println z. So the code is completed. Okay. So so what I have wrote in this code is, so first of all we have taken three inputs x, y, z. For suppose x is greater than or equal to 20, like 21, 22, 23, 24. So if it is greater than 20, and in that if condition we have another if condition. So if the x is greater than 20 and y is greater than or equal to 100, so then we have to add 100 plus z. So if x is greater than or equal to 20 and y is less than 100 and y is greater than or equal to 50, then we have to add 50 to the z. Or else we have to add 10 to the, like 10 to z. Like we have to add 10 to the z value. I hope you understand. So likewise, else if conditions. So if x is less than 20 and y is greater than or equal to 100, we have to add 3 to the value of z. And if y is and x is less than 20 and y is less than 100 and y is greater than or equal to 50, when we have to add 2 to the z, like we have to add 2 to the z value, or otherwise we have to add 1 to the z value. And finally, we have to print the z value. So let us run this program. So there is no errors. So first of all, we will give 21. So 21 is greater than 20. This is if x is greater than 20, and so and we will give y value. So y value is 101. So y that value is, so z value is 20. Like we have given 20. So what the condition is, like if x is greater than or equal to 20, so like x value is greater than 21. Like here is 20, like and the x value is greater than 20, so it's 21, and it's satisfying this condition. And y value, y is should be greater than or equal to 100. So it is greater than, like 101 is greater than 100. So we have to add this thing. So we have to add, like z value is 20, right? So we are adding, 100 to the z value, like 100 plus 20, 120. So 120 should be the answer. C. 120 will be the answer. So we will run again this program. So let us give 20 as output, like 21 as x value, and y value is 99. So it is satisfied this condition. So see, like y value is less than 100. So 100 is like 99 is less than 100, and y value is greater than or equal to 50, like 50, like 99 is greater than 50. So it is satisfying this condition. So let's give another, let's give the z value as 10. So 10 plus 50, 60. So 60 will be the output. So let us run this program again. So x value is 21. So y value is 30. So y value is 30. So let us come this side. Like y is greater than or equal to 100? No. So y is 30. 30 is greater than or equal to 100? No. So this condition will not satisfy. So else if. So this condition also is not satisfied. Like y is less than 100 and y is greater than or equal to 50. Y should be less than 100. So y is less than 100. So 30 is less than 100, but y is not greater than 50. So in that case, this statement will be executed. So like these two conditions fails, right? So the final else condition will be executed. So the final value is like we are giving the z value. So this statement will be executed. So 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10, 20 will be the answer. See, 20 will be the answer. So likewise, else if condition also, try else if condition. If you run this program, like try debugging code. So if x is less than 20, so we have like if y is greater than or equal to 100 and z is equal to 3 plus z, then like we have to add a 3 to the z value. Like if this condition satisfied, like we have to add 2 to the z value, and else if this condition satisfied, we will add 1 to the z value, and finally we are printing the z value. I hope you understand this problem. So if you like it, please like the video, and please subscribe it, and please share it to your friends. So if you want more videos of mine, please ring the bell icon. So whenever I post in the YouTube, you will get the notification. Thank you, friends.